G'day guys, my name's Mike. Welcome back to another day renovating here at Rose Villa. Today I'm going to be making up some moulding for the garden arbour. I'm going to be making up the two legs so I can put the first section together. Alright guys, so first up we're going to look at doing this moulding. So on my jig here I've got these little foil things that have got spikes on them, and that's going to hold the polystyrene down. I'm going to be able to put one on, mould it, take it off, put another one on, and they'll stay there. So I've got a test piece here that I've done. It's a little bit lumpy bumpy because it was just a test. So I've got to mark around there my line where I want to work to, and then I can keep sanding until I get to that point. So I'll cut another few of these up and we'll mould them, see how it goes. Alright guys, just taught myself something, and in a day's work, if you're not teaching yourself something, you're not learning anything and you're not progressing. So what I figured out is, because this curve is cut so accurately with the grinder, is easier than cutting styrene with that, I'm marking this off. And I'm sanding it down so that I end up with a perfect curve. So I'm just using my sanding board here that I use for car body work, and I'm sanding that down to the line. So it doesn't take very long. What that gives you is a perfect curve. So then when you mark with your finger gauge, you get a perfect second line. So yeah, learning, always learning as I go. Never stop learning. So then see, your finger gauge is much straighter. This is so easy to work with, this stuff. Glue it together with liquid nails, it's stuck there for good, and you can make whatever size material you want out of it. Just so good, love it. So I'll just show you the size difference, because I want this big fat post with a thinner curve on the top, so I'll take you over there and show you. So there's a bit of a look, guys. That is going to be the shape of the moulding, but it won't be as thick, so that'll go all the way around on both sides. And yeah, we'll render everything up nice and square, make it look like timber. It's going to look beautiful. So yeah, pretty happy, going good so far. So just push these up against there,
Yeah.
and just put the thing on it, position it. I like to say, wait till I get up because it'll just blow around. You like this moulding I put on you?
Yeah. It matches.
Yeah, well it's the same moulding that's on the windows.
Yeah. You don't want too many different mouldings, do you?
No. Right, so that'll be out on the edge of the, move it out to the edge of that pier. Yep.
Okay.
Hang on. Yep, alright, now the other one.
Okay. Ooh. Got it?
Hang on. Just,
What do you want me to do?
I'll just lean it this way slightly.
Oh. Do you want me to take a photo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could you get a bit of an idea from it? Oh yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Because you don't want it ridiculously high.
No. Oh, before it looked a bit too high.
Yeah.
I think that's probably just right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Alright, well, come on. Yeah. So there'll be 3 lots of these legs.
Yeah.
So there'll be 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
There'll be lattice in between. So there'll be a timber up about there, so the plants can, you know, sort of, they'll be somewhere.
Oh, does it be like a platform?
No, just the lattice, it'll have a gap to the lattice,
Yeah.
and then the lattice will go and it will come up to just below where that moulding's going to be.
Yeah.
And then it'll come up and there'll be,
And what are we putting on it?
what?
What are we putting over the top?
That.
Oh, that's going to grow over the top.
Yeah.
Oh.
So then
Gotcha.
this is going to, I'm going to drill holes.
Yeah.
And there's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so there'll be 9 of these all the way around.
Yeah. And then the
And that's what this will hold on to as it goes over.
And then the lattice goes over the top.
No, this is what the plant will lean on.
Oh, okay. So there's
Yeah.
like no netting.
No, but if it needs it, I'll get some like wire mesh and then, but I don't want to put that on there. I don't think it needs it because I think when the plants aren't quite long enough, they'll hang down.
Yeah.
But then as they get to each section, we'll just put them up and put a
So
little
they'll
tie.
grow to that height.
They'll grow up and over, yeah. The whole will be covered.
Oh. What, those ones in the pot?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. There you go. I just thought they were little plants.
No, they're little at the moment, yeah.
No, I just thought they were little plants to put in the garden.
No, no. So they'll be. You have a look at the buds on them, like the flowers that are all coming.
Yeah.
There'll be heaps of them.
Oh, doesn't tell you, does it?
No.
No.
But there'll be
Mandevilla.
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 Not Mandevillia, like I thought it was. But they've got a nice deep green glossy leaf, which looks nice. So yeah, that'll be probably sort of a fairly dense thing. It'll be all like shady under there.
Okay.
So it'll be pretty nice, won't it?
Yeah. It's not going to hide our tree and our shrubs though, is it?
Well, yes, a little bit, but you'll see through it. This will poke out around because that's going to be there. So that's we're going to have to prune it. That'll fill in like this whole area here, and we'll have to prune it to stop it from getting out of control. And that one there will grow up, and it'll just be like kind of just to block people's sight more than. But like, see, when we're here, yeah, you will see all this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the.
Now I've got just a.
Sound like a good plan?
Yeah.
So, yeah, imagine when it's got one there, hold that. One here and one there. It's going to be quite a decent structure.
Yeah.
With lattice in between.
Yeah.
It'll really be something that's kind of yeah, like a big structure. It's not going to be a pissy little like wire thing.
No.
So that's why I wanted, when he showed me these, I went, yeah, it's perfect. Once you make that square,
Yeah.
that's a nice chunky post, and it'll go like about there. So when it's over the other
Oh,
side,
good idea. I suppose it's cheaper than doing bricks.
oh, it's easy.
Hey.
So when that's there like that,
Yeah.
you can get to the letterbox okay.
Yeah.
And then the creeper will come out and it'll bush out here, and we might trim it every now and then, but you know, we'll just work at training it over there to start with, and then it'll get thicker and thicker.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm not sure, but I think it's an evergreen, which will be nice. So yeah, that's about all I'm doing tonight. But,
Well, now I know what those pots. I thought they were pots.
no, I thought I told you.
Well, no, just show me that what you bought.
Alright guys, that's about all I've got time for tonight. I've got to do my rounds of watering the trees, and then obviously get in and edit this video for you. So I hope you could get a bit of a picture from that little mock-up I just did up on the ladder. It's a bit lower than I was expecting, the legs to be a bit higher, but then it was like, wow, that's way too big. So we cut it down a bit, and that looks much better now. So I'll get in, I'll do my watering, and I'll go and edit this video, and then I'll see you again tomorrow. So until then, you take care. Remember to do all the things that help the channel. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, like I said, take care, have fun, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Cheers guys.